So with this app, you can turn your Android phone into a webcam for your PC. Alright, so first of all, make sure you get the app installed to your Android device, and then you're going to have to install the software on your computer as well. It can be a Windows PC or a Mac. Alright, so I'm going to tap on open to open the app. When you open the app, this is going to show up, so just tap continue, and give access to your camera as well as your mic. Tap get started. So this is going to show up. So what you need to do next is tap on need help, and the website is going to show up. So the website is reincubate.com, so you can enter it on your PC. Then you're going to find the software for your Windows PC. So by now I should be showing you how to install it on your PC. So just click whatever it is that I'm clicking right now, and you should have it fully installed like I have it on my PC. Alright, so after you're done installing the software to your PC as well as on your phone, what you need to do next is make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can also use your USB to do the same thing, but I'm not going to do that in this video. Maybe I'll make a separate video for that. Okay, so after connecting both devices to the same Wi-Fi network, you tap on this third icon up here. It's going to ask you to scan. So you come to your PC, and over here you can click on this, and it's going to generate a QR code for you. So what I'm going to do now is scan this code using my phone. Okay, so after scanning, then it is now connected. So I'm going to click here and select my phone. So my phone is the Redmi Note 13. If I click on it, then it's going to access the camera. You can go through the settings here to like improve the quality, the camera quality, but I think if you leave it the way it is, then there's no problem. You can go through the app to do other settings, but in this video I just want to show you how to get it started. Since my phone is connected, I'm going to just set it up so that you can see my face through the phone. Alright, so this is how I have the phone connected to, I have a phone holder behind, and that is how I have it connected. So now you can see this is what it looks like. You can use this for things like your Zoom meetings or even Google Meet. So to use this software on platforms like Zoom and Google Meet, you want to come up here, click this, and then you click this to install an add-on that's going to allow that. So just wait for a few minutes, depends on how fast your internet is, for the add-on to get installed. Okay, so it says installation succeeded. So now I can tap OK and then tap open settings, and then I'll give camera access to Cam Studio. So now I can close this. And also, if you wish to switch between the back camera and the front camera, you come here under lens, you click this, and from here you can switch between them. So right now I'm using the back camera. If I want to use the camera like the selfie camera, I can click this. It's going to switch to the selfie camera. Alright, so I just opened Google Meet, and right now it is trying to access my integrated webcam. That is the webcam in my computer, but the webcam is currently closed. So what I can do is just click here and then select Camo. So as you can see, it is now using the feed from the phone. The phone is currently acting as a webcam. So from here I can use it whenever I want to do things like Google Meet, Zoom meetings, and the rest. So yeah, that's basically how you use the app. I'm going to go through some settings that I think you should know, so that you don't have any issues while using the software. Alright, so one thing that you should know is framing, so that if you are not always in focus, you can click this to zoom, click and drag to zoom in and out. You can also drag this to adjust the frame so you can be very visible. Let me try zooming out a bit. Okay, I think this is good enough. If you wish to use your phone, the phone that is now connected to your PC as the mic, then you can click here and then you select the phone For me, my phone has two mics, so you can try out any of the mics. If you speak and they can't hear you, then you can come back here and switch to the other mic. But if you want to use the default mic on your PC, then you can select the default mic over here. Alright, so you can click on this to enhance your image. If you want a blurred background, you can click this to blur the background. It's a bit blurred now, but not too much. Okay, it's almost okay. You can add more blur if you want. Yeah, but I don't like this one. Let me maximize this. Okay, this is way better. I should have done this earlier. Anyways, so let's start from the first one. Okay, so this is the standard look. If you want to blur the background a bit, you can click this. If you want completely blur the background, then you click this one. If you come down here, you see some options that maybe you will not need, but yeah, let me just show you some of them. So the lightening option, yeah, you can see my face is showing lightening. You can make your head big. There's this one called Jaguar. I haven't tried it yet, but let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay. So yeah, you can go through them and let's see if it reflects in Google Meet. So you can see it is also the same on Google Meet. Okay, so I'll close this. Next, we have the image adjustments. This is where you can adjust things like the brightness, the temperature. Like right now, I look a bit too warm. So if I want, I can bring it down. So it's a bit cooler now. But if you want, you can just click here so it can be automated. Whatever the app thinks is good, then just leave it that way. But if you want, you can always go through the options to change them. But in most cases, you just leave it at default and the app works just fine. Okay, so hopefully you found the video helpful. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.